Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to restart our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick device. It's possible that your device has become frozen or isn't working properly. For example, you might notice the menu navigation is slower than normal, or an app won't open or has become frozen. In this case, the easiest and first solution would be to restart the device. To do this, you can always turn the device off and on by pressing the power button on the remote. But doing this might not clear the device's cache memory, so when you turn it back on, the problem might persist since a quick power cycle may not be effective. So to avoid this, I'll show you the specific option on our device to perform a complete restart, not a factory reset, which is something we'll cover in another video. By doing this, no apps, settings, or accounts will be deleted. This simply turns the device off and on properly so it reloads all information again. To do this, go to the top bar and head to the settings wheel. Within settings, look for the device preferences section and click on the information section. As you can see, the third option right here is restart. Again, this won't delete anything. It's just a proper restart that allows the Mi TV Stick to turn off and on, restarting all apps and clearing both cache and RAM. So it's very easy. Simply tap on it. It asks if we want to restart, press restart at the top, and the device performs a complete restart. As you can see, the Xiaomi logo appears again, showing that it's restarting. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we have the main menu loading again. This means the restart has been completed. You might get black screens before returning to the main menu since it's doing a complete restart. But as you can see, the device is working again without any issues. Well guys, that's it for this video. As always, I hope I've helped you. If I have, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, that's all. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.